Hello students, today we will going to discuss chapter 15 visualizing solid shape of class 7. Aims and objectives of the chapter: to know about 2D shapes, to know about 3D shapes and their element, to know about net of 3D shapes, to know how to visualize solid shapes. 2D shapes. The figure which we can draw on the flat surfaces are called plane figure. They have two dimensions such as length and breadth. Hence they are called two-dimension shape. As on the screen it is given, there are three 2D shapes: triangle, square and circle. Now come to the three-dimensional figure or shapes. The figures which have three dimensions are such as length, breadth and height are called three-dimensional shape. They occupy some space like ball, box, tube, etc. Hence you can see this remote. This is a 3D shape because it has length, breadth and height. You can see this box also. It has length, breadth and height. So these are 3D shapes. Now element of 3D shapes: faces, edges and vertices. So what are the faces? All the surfaces of 3D figure are faces of the shape. The faces of 3D shapes are made up of 2D shape. These are the flat surface. So these are the faces of the shape. Now edges, where the faces meet to each other, these line segments are known as edges. Now vertices, the corner or the point where the edges meet with each other are vertices. Where the edges, these are the edges, and where it is meet each other, it is called vertex. And when we talking about plural of this, it will become vertices. Now come to the net for building 3D shapes. So what are the net of building 3D shapes? If we draw the structure on the 2D form and fold it to make a 3D shape, then it is said to be net of the figure. Different figure have different type of net. We can open 3D shape, form its edges to get the net of that figure, as there are some 3D shape and their nets are given in the figure. In the first one there is a cuboid and its net. In the second one it is a pyramid. In the third one it is a cylinder, and in the fourth one it is a cone. Now visualizing. When we see any 3D shape from one side, that some of its parts are not visible. If I am talking about this is visible but the back part is not visible. If I am talking about this part is visible, this part is not visible to us. But then we can assume that which shape it is. This is called visualization. Now we can see that the front, top and side view of above image is completely different, and we cannot see some of the faces, then also we can say that this figure is made up of 4 cubes. Okay, for example, if I am talking about this is a rectangle and this is also a rectangle, but this rectangle is different to this rectangle because the top view is different and the side view is different in this figure. When we cut any 3D object horizontally or vertically, we get a 2D face of that figure. This is called cross section. The shape of cross section depends upon type of cut like horizontal or vertical. Let's see an example. If we give a horizontal cut to rectangular pyramid, we will get a rectangle. In this figure you can see, and if we cut it vertically, we will get a triangle, as you can see in this figure. So there are different cross section when we do horizontally and when we do vertically. Now viewing an object by its shadow. If we throw the torchlight on any 3D shape, that we get the shadow of the object on the plane in the form of 2D shape. The resultant shape depends upon the side of object where we throw the light. Let's see the example. Here we throw the light on the cylinder from its circular side. So the image of the circle is given on the shadow. As if we put the cylinder upwards, if we throw the light on the cylinder while it is on standing position, then its shadow will be rectangular shape. So there are different shape we will get when we will put the torch light on that in a different positions. Thank you. I hope you will understand.